Alright, this lady's laid down. We're in a 10-minute rest here, and the bus driver tells her you can't lay down on the bus. So she says, "Since when?" And then he has to say, "Since our rules." And yet she continues to lay on the bus. This part about crushing this is the eye-watering problem. But this crushed onion really does a good job fermenting. Much better than in the big pieces. I don't like really crunching on those big pieces. Alright, see if the front doors are open. Oh yeah, definitely. You can clearly see that. Where's that Alcoholics Anonymous thing? I got some questions. A directory. Where would a directory be? Is there, like if you wanted to do community service, there's like the alcoholic group. Is that in this building? Is it, or is there a directory?
No.
That you know, there's no directory?
No. I mean,
is there
human services, you can go process.
Human services? Yeah, that's for food stamps. But I'm asking about the community service. Yeah, I'll just look around, I guess.
Okay.
It is a big building, so just looking around, I guess, is good. You can see some good views from this. It's just a tunnel. Why they set it up as a tunnel, I have no idea. It's curious. This is, yeah, the one corridor. Okay, so none of that. Okay, a bit of a directory. Human resources to the right. Maybe. Trout Creek. Oh, this would be to the right. Okay, yeah, just curious if you know, like, if a person wanted to do community service where that alcohol group would be, or it's like an organization that's called something Alcoholic Anonymous, or have you ever heard of it? I mean,
yeah,
if you don't, well, it's not anonymous. It's like the ones that do run the community service.
You
So
know,
just,
I don't know where
okay,
the community
I didn't.
service is.
Yeah, I'm just kind of looking, and all right.
I don't think it's in this building.
Yeah, you don't think? Okay, I just had to look.
Yeah,
It's,
sorry.
thanks. I got some more food. Second day at the food bank. It's a daily thing. I asked the ladies what this thing was, where'd it come from, what kitchen, and they said salt and lime. I'm like, okay, you don't focus automatic? Nope, that must be only for the other side. It says salt and lime on here. I'm like, okay, I know the ingredients. What organization, what kitchen does it come from? Salt and lime. I'm like, that's the business name. salt and lime. What's in here exactly? We'll get this open and then I'll cut out this video. It's like a rice. Oh my god. Just straight up rice. I don't know what I'll mix that with. This cop is really bothersome. I'm parked in the courthouse parking lot. He stops over there and just watches me. And I'm just sitting here with my doors wide open. He waved as he was driving away. So bothersome. What? Look at this price, $5 per CD. Hayden charges $15 per CD. It's a better deal going through the sheriff. I can't believe there's competition. Alright, what if I were to take this piece of paper into the newspaper to ask them how much they pay? Do they get a deal? So I heard that song, that horse, gonna take my horse to the old town road. Somebody's playing it in his car. I started hearing the can't not tell me nothing. This is a pretty decent bus stop right here, down from the library, going back to my car at the courthouse. Just get to sit in the grass. Alright, since my battery's been too weak in the mornings, I'm gonna start playing around with using the spare battery charger. I may need a bigger one just to deal with the extra cold. At least something that's transportable. That's a little bit lighter than this car battery. Although I probably could go for, it's not going to be cheap, but get a new car battery and then also a charger I could take to the library and fill up every day pretty much. Just want to say I'm a little frustrated having my conversation with that one cop, trying to explain 3 times what the deal was with having to come back for the records request, and he kept saying they're at the desk. You know, if he would have said, you know, I understand what you're saying, but it's at the desk. But no, it wasn't that. It was just they're at the desk. Every time I explained it, re-explained it. First time, second time, then the third time I think I used my hands. They're at the desk. They're at the desk. You know, it was frustrating. I feel like a fool having explained that. But I think he could have said that he understood or something. That would have diffused my explanations. Hello, is Leslie Hockaday available?
No, I'm sorry, Leslie actually has the week off.
The week, okay. Oh, well, what's her schedule like, or does she have... I don't see her, like, email Is she like not contactable or anything?
It's not that, it's just that Leslie's husband had surgery
Yeah.
yesterday, and she's off for that.
Okay.
So,
You removed her card?
she doesn't have a card.
Oh, she normally doesn't. Okay.
No, she does not even maintain business cards.
Okay. Well, outside of surgery, I mean, if they wanted to contact her, they would come up here and.
They can come here, we can give you her email address. I can
Oh,
write it
yeah.
down for you.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow. All right. Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright, I just gotta admit, I'm a little more paranoid now that these people are cracking down on me. This is post the overnight parking limit sign. My car's over there. I see this over here, this car, and I'm like, is that a stakeout? Yeah, it's completely empty and it doesn't really look like a cop car. I'm like, oh my god, are they, what do you call it, camping me like they do in Hayden? Just to see what time I come back. I mean, they got cameras, but I guess I could stake it out too, just to have a person out here. Oh my god. The tension is rising. That just wasn't updated.
I know, it's
One?
Yep, till 1.
Wait, let me see. Well, you put it
The Crane
up.
Festival is doing the,
Today is,
Today.
Well, that isn't are you gonna put up
it's,
what the schedule
we
format?
will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just later, okay. Well, okay, fine.
Yeah, Crane Festival.
Mm.